Hi there! Today we're going to learn about how to add a Figma prototype in Wix. We'll just go ahead and select the website that we want to edit. Once it's downloading, we just go ahead and click on Design Site. I will just wait for the Wix website editor to load. Once we're done, we can find an area where we want to add our Figma prototype. For example, I want to add it here below the header. Just click on Add Section, and I will need to click on Add Elements, the sidebar, and we will need to click on Embed Code, and we will select Embed HTML. Drag and drop it to the website, or you can just click on the Add to Site. And then now we can see here, this is where we will put our code for our Figma prototype. You need to make sure that your Figma prototype is open in a new tab. So I have mine right here. So this is the prototype that we will use. We'll just click on Share, and then we'll just click on Get Embed Code. And then copy this. Then going back to the website editor, we can just paste our copied code. And then click on Update. We'll just wait for it to load. And once it has loaded, we can now see our Figma prototype is now on our Wix website. So you can do a lot of things with this. So if for example you want to change your prototype, your Figma prototype, for example, I move this element right here, it will also reflect on the Wix website. So if you don't need to worry about applying any changes, because the changes is happening in real time on our Wix website as well. So if I move this again, say I move it to the center, in the Wix website, our Figma prototype has been reflected as well. So you can edit this around if you want. You can edit the code again. You can click on website address, but be careful in using the website address since Wix blocks a lot of websites. It's better to just embed the code right here. So if you can add some description to your embedded code. For example, I will add Figma prototype is in the embedded code. And then you can edit this right there. If you want to stretch the element, you can stretch it to full width. As you can see, it is now stretched to full width. And then you can just turn this off again since it looks better turned off. Change this. And then once you're happy with your Figma prototype on your Wix, you can now click on preview to see how it looks like on our website. You can see, just wait for it to load again. And you can now see our Figma prototype is displayed right here. You can zoom in and zoom out. You can drag and drop. You can make it full screen if you want it. Drag and drop again. And then that is it. I hope you learned how to add your Figma prototype on your Wix website. Thank you for watching.